Welcome back. So earlier on we had seen what a night fork is. So what is a night fork? A night fork is where a knight simultaneously attacks two opponent pieces. So now, why should we restrict ourselves just to knight? Any piece can attack two or more pieces. So that leads us to a double attack. So best it is best that we understand what a double attack is through examples because we already know what a night fork is. It's similar, double attack is similar to a night fork. The only exception being it is not restricted just to knights, but to many other pieces as well, as we would see shortly. So this is our first example. So what do? We notice if the queen comes here like this, then it attacks these two pieces simultaneously, like this piece and this piece. As you can see, it is similar to a fork, like the knight fork. It is like a fork, but it is a double attack. So the king comes down here and we take the rook. So once again, what is a double attack? It is similar to a knight fork, but it is not restricted to a knight. So this is our double attack. Attack both these pieces simultaneously. So the king goes down and we take the rook. So now going over to the next one. Here, can you spot the double attack? I'll give you a hint. This queen has to play a role and it has to attack this king and one of the knights. Which knight? Obviously the hanging one. This does not have any support, so we can easily take this one. So how do we do that? This is the move. We give this check and now there is a double attack. The queen simultaneously attacks these two pieces and say anything, the black does anything, we get our knight. So once again, we make this check. This is the double attack, just like a knight fork. But here we have a queen. Could have been any other piece as well, doesn't matter. All the pieces other than knight come under the category of double attack if we get a scenario like we are in right now. So now the bishop comes here and we take this knight. So now moving over to the third puzzle. So we can see that if this is a hanging piece, so if we can somehow manage to get this hanging piece here through a double attack, we would gain an advantage. So how do we do that? We need to if we open up this file, we will also get some more advantage as you would learn in clear and sacrifice. But for now, just take my words. We should open up this file. So we take this pawn and then the king takes the rook. And now we have our double attack. This and this. This is the double attack. The king goes anywhere and we take our rook. So once again, what do? We bring the king onto this square so that we can make this double attack. So this was the move which black played. So now this, check, king goes anywhere, we take the queen. So now the fourth one. Here also there is a double attack, again with a queen, and we have to capture the king and a rook. So what do? We try to get a queen somehow at this position. If we get the queen at this position, then that would simultaneously attack this and this. So how do we do that? First we give this check. Now the pawn comes here and we have this. So now once again, so this is the check. And if the black plays this, by the way, then we have a checkmate. So the pawn comes here, then we take, and then this, and we take the rook. So now for the final one, this is the toughest one of all, but here we can see that again we we have to take a king and we have to attack a king and take the rook. So how do we do it? We take this pawn and now we bring the king onto this square so that we can make this and this. So the king takes it and now we get this double attack once more. Usually double attacks are more common with queen, but as you have seen in this video, but it is really common to find other scenarios also. But queen, you can even find one in your next game. So take care of that. So now the king goes anywhere and we take the rook. So once again, going over all the puzzles once more. So this is the white's move. What do we do? This is our double attack. So this one. So this check and we take the rook. In the second one, this is our check. This is the double attack and we take the knight. In this one, we first make a sacrifice to open up this file, then the king takes it and we make this double attack once again. Now in the fourth one, we need to bring our queen here. So this is the check and we take this pawn. The bishop comes to block the check and we have our rook. Now in the final one, this is our check because we want to get our queen here and simultaneously attack the king, which will come onto this square, and the rook. So now takes, check, goes up. And by the way, these puzzles are just for illustrative purpose so that you understand what a double attack is. So I'm not explaining all the other scenarios possible, but you can think over them yourself. So that's all for today. We will see some more tactics in subsequent videos. Thank you.